Hey guys, it's your boy PTC Pet, and of course, let me make a small video about the MET token. It is of course new, and I already made a video explaining the most basics of it. But yeah, they're launching their website, and their pre-launch is going to end on the 23rd of March. So I thought, well, let's just show you guys that it's still working like a charm. Let me just share this one a little bit. It's working like a charm. It's not the logo yet, but they're trying, and they sent me this logo. Like, what do you think of this? As well, let me just show it. We're gonna show you guys that the let me go like here. We're gonna show you guys that the contract is still growing. You can see it here with internal TX. We're gonna go like this. You can see that constantly there is like a stream of BNB coming to my wallet. You can see this is just continuing because of course I'm added to the power line. How to do that? Well, let me show you guys. Let's go like this. I believe I can go like this. Skip it. And let's go here. You can see this is like $492. And you can see that if I'm going to press send, this is the address of the contract. There is a gas fee for the contract, and of course there's a warning like make sure that you know that you're sending funds to a contract. It could result in a loss of funds. I understand, but this contract works with minting tokens when everybody sends money to the power line, to the contract. So let's say I want to put in 1.5 BNB. That is $417. And I'm gonna press that send button. And a fun fact is that everybody that is currently in the power line is going to get a BNB to their wallet. Let's also check this. Let's check this transaction. I'm gonna wait a second till it approves. And the reason that the gas fee is high because everybody is going to get paid from it. You can see that. 1 second. Transaction has. Oh, it's too big now to see. Wait, let's go here. Gas price $14.99. Nonce. Normally you just see that, but let's check it out. Also, let's do it here. You can see that 48 seconds ago, the same with my transaction, this amount of BNB has been given to my wallet. And let's just check out how much that is. And also that I showed in my account that I got multiple accounts. Like I've secured my spot in the power line. Let's just call it like that. And that means that the price of BNB is not looking so bright. Well, let's go where? Here. I'm looking for here. And you can see that like I've got like from my deposit, I got like 42 cents. And then you think, yeah, what's 42 cents? It's just costing you a little bit to make it from the power line. More people are joining, more people are sending. And as you can see here, like it's gonna come multiple days, multiple times. Everybody's just sending, making sure that they're joining in the power line. And if we check it out now, the project is now 2 weeks old. It doesn't have a website yet. The website's going to come, I believe, in the 23rd of March, and some more utilities of the project is going to come out. And then we're gonna check like all transactions. And in that 2 weeks or something that I joined, that means that there is, I don't even know if I'm a member for 2 weeks. There is like 646 transactions. Let's go to the last page. And then you see like I joined 11 days and 10 hours ago. And you can see constantly a BNB stream in the wallet. 13 pages of BNB. And this is not all, of course, because we also get tokens. We get the MET token that is from the same PancakeSwap. The MET token that is from the same address as the contract, as you can see it here. And then it says BNB met. And you can see that now there ain't so much liquidity because there's constantly the owners buying the liquidity back. And you can see now in the moment there is like 621, and there is, if you check it here, there was like this amount of buyers, there was this amount of sellers. So yeah, people are making money, people are sending money, and also they're getting the BNB in the wallet. In the moment, I'm not, he's in pre-launch, you know, I know the guy. He's making sure that he's, how you say that he is, preparing. And of course, I cannot drain his liquidity. So we just added some funds. And let's see, for a quarter of that. Oh, I'm in the wrong wallet, guys. 1 second. Connect this wallet. And you can see that like a quarter of what I've got now is, and of course, it's a high price impact. This is like $118. When there's more liquidity, and like I said, he's launching, that's going to be like 10%. So this is like, I've got a little bit like $500 worth of it or something. But of course, pressing max, it's going to show it's $300 as there's a high price impact because there is not so much LP yet. It's going to be working with, as you can see here, it's going up, it's going down. There's more people coming. Let's go check the holders. There's now like 704 people with MET in their wallet. Means there's more people, but of course, there's, how you say that? There's also people just directly selling. Let me just show you guys how to work with it. Let's say you would want to sell. Oh, let's say you would want to sell. Let's not drain this liquidity, you know. Let's go like this. Okay, let's go like this. Then, of course, we have to enable the MET token, which is sellable on PancakeSwap, also sellable on, no, I don't think it's sellable on KuCoin, maybe. I believe not. But yeah, first we enable it to make sure that we approve that our transaction can be sent. Then we swap it just to show you guys that everything is working. And I really expect this to grow a lot when the, when the website comes, when they're out of the pre-launch. It's just built now to make sure that everything is working. And who knows? I'm a guy that always loves to say, I got hopium. So I'm pushing a lot of hopium towards this, and let's hope it's gonna go half as explosive as everybody thinks. Then it's gonna be definitely a game changer. So guys, this was just a small video, just showing an update. Contract internal transactions. Is that mine? No, okay. What's BNB doing? Oh my God. Oh, minus 4%. I had like a lot of BNB in the wallet and I think, where's my money? And yeah, minus 4%. Well, let me just go here. I believe that's it, guys. You can always see what's happening. You can see the transaction. And if there's anything you would want to know, they have a Facebook group, they have a Telegram group. And like I said, they are working on launching multiple utilities. Also working with AI, as this is an AI-based project. So let's see what's going to happen. This is PTC Pat from the Netherlands, going to be back tomorrow. And let's keep making money, guys. Hoppa. I love my chain. Stay safe. Be blessed.